Today I have for you some more incredible ways to use the Dollar Tree glassware for the perfect Christmas DIYs so you can create some fun Christmas crafting memories without breaking the bank. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and let's get on into it. For the first one, it takes no time at all, but we were taking 2 of these plain candle holder glass pieces and we are going to be fixing them up. So I love that now Dollar Tree sells them in different sizes. I've only ever been able to find the large one, so the smaller one just makes the cutest set whenever they are setting together. I use some of these Snowflake stickers. These are foam and just in the Dollar Tree crafting section, and I go ahead and just kind of put them all over in various sizes of this glass container, and then I'm going to go in and spray it with some of the frosted glass spray. I pick up the kind by Rust-Oleum and grab it at Walmart, but you can just pick up any kind that you like. The only thing on this craft that I wish I would have done different was actually stick the little snowflakes to my shirt or something so that it wouldn't be as sticky, because I did struggle just a tiny bit on some of them getting all of the residue off. That's the only thing that I would change. Also, maybe putting a piece of paper down in the top or taping the top off so none of the overspray goes inside of the jar, because I want those snowflakes to stay as clear as possible. And the design is already showing up so beautifully, and then whenever you put a light in here, it looks so gorgeous lit up at night, and LED candles on a timer are even better. I love these huge jars. I think that is an incredible price for $1.25. So many things you can do with these. I am using just a wall decal that I found at Dollar Tree. Any shape would do. I just like the look of this long rectangular shape because I want to make like a clear window to make not like a snow globe, but like a little scenery inside. So you could go with trees. I've already made one with trees this year to make a little snow globe in a jar, so I wanted to mix it up and do something different. So I'm putting the sticker down and then Mod Podging over it, and then using a mixture of Epsom salt and some of the faux glittery snow from Dollar Tree. I mix that in a separate container, putting on the Mod Podge and then sprinkling it all over. So this is going to make a beautiful little snowy globe so that I can display the cutest little snowman inside. I don't even wait for all of the glue to dry. I go ahead and remove the sticker because I don't want it to be stuck forever. I was a little concerned whenever I started pulling it off because this was more of like a paper sticker. So you could cut out a piece of vinyl, and I feel like that would be thick enough to hold itself together. But once I got started and actually start more towards the center, removing it, it removed really nicely and left the perfect little window what I was going for to add my little snowman in there. I did feel like it needed a snowy little base, so I added more Mod Podge to the bottom, sprinkled on some more of the Epsom salt mixture before adding in the snowman. And then the star of the show is this little styrofoam snowman. I thought he was adorable with his little twig arms, so I stuck it down in there. His arms tried to get caught in the jar, but I just fixed it until it fit really nicely. And then I didn't like how the top of the jar was showing, so I did go over that with some more Epsom salt. But you could put a set of string lights around him or a little LED behind him to make this light up, but I think it is absolutely adorable, and a row of these would be even better. Taking the same candle holder as before, I'm using a smaller one. I go ahead and cut some wooden beads off, and I'm just going to glue this around the bottom, and this is going to make the perfect little holders to add in some faux florals. After I glued them all the way around, I stuck in some little flower picks, and I just went with the red berries and the greenery, kind of alternating them, but this worked really nice. I just pulled the berries off. They have the perfect little stem on them that fits down inside these beads. I kind of went back and forth between like a larger set and a smaller set of berries, but I feel like this adds a perfect little rustic touch. You're not putting in a lot of work, but it looks really, really cute rather than just setting a plain candle there. If you see these glass little containers, grab them from Dollar Tree. They make the cutest little pieces. They already come with a tree, a berry, and some fake snow in there, but I'm taking some of Dollar Tree's golden rub-on transfers and just applying that to the front, adding some ribbons, and it really elevates the look. I think it would be really cute to even roll up like a little Santa letter or a personalized note, maybe even a tiny little photo and add into these. You could gift them like in a little gift basket, but a really cute little thing that would be perfect in tiered trays or just displayed as is. My Dollar Tree has had these ceramic ornaments out all year, so they didn't even treat them like a Christmas item. They just had them out in the crafting section, but these are the perfect blank space. They're nice and hefty. They are ceramic, so you have to be a little careful with them, but they're not like really fragile. And I'm just going in with some rub-on transfers just to add, but you could add anything that you want or use your Cricut machine to cut out anything that you want. But these rub-on transfers are just too easy to cut them out and go ahead and just transfer them on there. These are one of my favorite pieces that they're putting out, these little loaf pans, and you can use them in so many different ways, including melting down one of the large jar candles, pouring it in here, and adding back in the wick. Once these cool off, you have the cutest little candle. I just love these containers. You could easily gift this, but remember, this unscented wax is a great opportunity to mix in some essential oils of fragrance of your choice to spice them up even more. A really fun way to use the Dollar Tree vinyl without a cutting machine is to grab this dark green, and then I am tracing out just a tree. It's one of Dollar Tree's ornaments. Cutting out the shape, and then to add some details, I use a hole punch to punch some little holes in the middle. And then I just removed the backing and place these on one of the tall plain candles, and it really elevates the look. Tie on a matching ribbon and you're ready to go. These look gorgeous displayed and adds that extra pop of color. Next up, we are creating a really fun way to display some fun candy using these large candy containers, but we're not using the base. We're going to put that to the side, save it for another day, and just using the lids here. They fit on those little bubble vases perfect, and then I wanted to elevate them with a little candlestick, so I'm using one on the small one and then stacking up two for the second one. This is going to make them the perfect height, but Dollar Tree sells tons of candle holders, so you can just pick whichever looks best for you. After I got all of the pieces I wanted painted red, keeping the bubble vase the same clear color, I go ahead and attach everything just with some hot glue. If you had the extra time, you can use E6000 or a stronger hold glue. Piece everything together before adding in the candy. Another one of my favorite glassware finds are these mini little jars with the rope hanger already attached. These look so fun, so all I did here was take 2 minutes to add some faux snow to the bottom of this, but you could add anything that you'd like here. You could even mix in the Epsom salt, added a little light and a little bit of embellishment by some greenery at the top corner, and these are ready to go. I love all things red at Christmas time, so I feel like this red set of dishes or servingware would be perfect, but you can take any of the Dollar Tree servingware and actually melt the candles down and fill them up just reusing the wicks. These look gorgeous. I used this little clear glass, a mug, and a bowl just using the white wax, and it looks so high-end and gorgeous lit up and so beautiful. You could even gift this as well. Thank you all so much for checking out today's video. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting! Bye!